Hello everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums free UPSC series. Plums is a prelims level up MCQ series. So as part of this, daily 5 MCQs will be dealt by different faculty of Vysh IAS YouTube channel. So today, that is Saturday, this is episode 76 on Feb 18, 2023. We are going to deal about CSAT math, aptitude and reasoning. So as part of Plums, we'll be dealing 5 MCQs at 9 pm. Tuesday is about geography and environment MCQs. Wednesday is about polity governance schemes. Thursday we'll be dealing about economic budget and survey. And Saturday, that is today, CSAT math, aptitude and reasoning will be dealt. Sir will also take some classes like current affairs, maths, IR on Sunday, history, art and culture MCQs on Monday, and science and technology on Friday. If you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing the UPSC exam. So if you want to get access to the free content, or if you want the free UPSC coaching classes, there are only 2 steps that are left. First step is to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, and also to save this number, that is 7200681675. After saving this number, WhatsApp to this number like UPSC free. Then you will get the foundational videos and all other information related to the channel. Okay, now let's solve the MCQs. MCQ number 1, what is the average of the first 5 multiples of 12? So they're asking what is the average of first 5 multiples of 12. So what are the multiples of 12? 12 into 1 plus 12 into 2, so on till 12 into 5. They're asking 5, right? So by how many numbers are there? 5 numbers. So if we take 12 common, it becomes 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 5. Okay, so 12 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 15 by 5. 5 3s are 15, 12 3s are 36. 36 is the answer for the question number 1. So option A is correct for the question number 1, 36. You can cross check your solution here again. So after I read every question, try solving that question on your own by pausing the video. So comment the answer which you get by doing on your own and cross check it with your answer. Solution which I give, and finally after doing 5 MCQs, you can give your score at the end of the box, in the end of the video in the comment box. Okay, 1120 by root question mark is equal to 80. Let's take the question mark value as x is equal to 80. Okay, if you take root x into RHS side, 1120 by 80 is equal to root x. So if you solve this equation, 0 and 0 get cancelled. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 3 remains, 8 4s are 32. Okay, so x is equal to 14, root x is equal to 14, x is equal to 14 square. 14 square is nothing but 196. Okay, you have to remember at least 30, 1 to 30 squares and 1 to 20 cubes. It will be very much easy. Instead of multiplying, you can easily know 14 square is 196. So for the question number 2, option C is the correct answer. What is the area of the triangle with base 5 meters and height 10 meters? So this is a simple question. There is a formula for the area of triangle. So as we already know that area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. This is the area of the triangle. So if you take area is equal to half into, what is the base? So base is given as 5, okay, and height is given as 10. Okay, so if you calculate this equation, what you will get? 2 into 5. It is nothing but area is equal to 5 into 5, that is 5 square. 5 square is nothing but 25 meters square. Okay, this is the area of the what we call area of the triangle as part of the question. So for this question, 25 is the correct answer, that is option number C. So I have given the solution once again here. So for the question number 3, so here I typed it wrong. This is question number 3. For the question number 3, 25 is the correct answer, that is option number C. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. They're asking complete the series 2, 5, 9, 19, 37. So this series can be written as, for example, the first number is 2, right? So 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. So the second number is 5. So we need to add 1 plus 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. Let's see whether it is the same kind of thing in the second second case. So for the second number, that is 5. 5 into 2 is 10. But here the third number is 9. So we have to actually subtract minus 1. Okay. So the answer will be 9. If you take the third case, 9 into 2, that is 18. Here again plus 1, because fourth number is 19, is equal to 19. Okay, the fourth case is 19 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 37. Now what we have to do, the last final step is 37 into 2 plus 1, because in the previous case you have done minus 1, now you have to do plus 1. 37 into 2 plus 1. Here 37 into 2 is 74. 74 plus 1 is 75. So 75 is the correct answer for the question number 4. That is MCQ number 4. 75 is the correct answer. So I have given the brief solution again here. So what you can do is, if you have not understood the solution or you want to cross check the solution, you can pause the video and check out the solution over here. The same method which I have mentioned in this slide. Now let's solve the last MCQ of the video. So they have given the values. They have given it as x square plus 1 by x square is given as 34. Okay, they are asking us to find x plus 1 by x value. So they have given x square plus 1 by x square value, and they have asked us to find x plus 1 by x value. Okay, this is the simple data that is given in the question. So what you can do is, so if you take this equation, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 34. What you can do, it is in the format of a square plus b square. So you can make it as a plus b whole square, right? So in order to make it as a plus b whole square, what you need to have, x plus 1 by x square value will be, so x plus 1 by x whole square value will be x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x and x gets cancelled. So plus 2 plus 1 by x square is equal to 32 plus 2. You can write 34 as 32 plus 2. Okay. Sorry. Here in the LHS side you have added 2. In the RHS side also you have to add 2. Okay. So as this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, so I have added 2 in the RHS side also, because I have added 2 in the LHS side. So this will become x plus 1 by x square. In order to make this perfect square, I have added 2 in the LHS side, is equal to 36. So this 36 is nothing but 6 square. Okay. So this square and this square get cancels in the both LHS and RHS. So x plus 1 by x value will become 6. What will be the value? X plus 1 by x is 6. So 6 is not there in the option. So as it is not present in the option, none of this is the correct answer. So you can check out the solution over here. So as x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 6 square, x plus 1 by x value can become plus or minus 6. Okay, that is what here it is given. So both plus 6 and minus 6 is not there in the option. So none of this is the correct answer. So that is it for today's video. I hope so you have enjoyed this video with 5 MCQs. I am thinking that you have solved all the 5 MCQs, and kindly give your score in the comment box. Okay. So in the same way, we'll be solving 5 MCQs tomorrow from the different subject by different faculty. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell icon. Okay. So if you have any queries, or if you want to get the foundational videos, or if you have any queries also, you can WhatsApp to this number 7200681675. So that is it for today's video. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.